Hello, today I'm going to show you how to enable FaceTime on iPhone. Let's start. First of all, open up the settings. Scroll down in settings and click on FaceTime. Tap to turn on the FaceTime. Then click to use your Apple ID for FaceTime. Now for FaceTime, your Apple ID will be used. Open up the FaceTime app. Click to create link and you can share that link with your friends on different social apps. So tap to share the link in messages to your friend. Once they join the call using that link, you can communicate on FaceTime. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.